Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Canyon. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine, and comes with a 8-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: hill descent control, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, traction control, rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, fog lights, front wheel independent suspension, speed control, trailering package. Inside you'll find Sirius satellite radio, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, tachometer, overhead console, panic alarm, tilt steering wheel. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.